harnesses are glowing. I think he's got a new dog.
On Wednesday.
Who is this? Hi, little guy. Look how little you are. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. Oh.
I guess I'm gonna name him Tucker.
Hi, Tucker.
No idea.
Hello, baby.
Just found him down the street.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now that's a rescue.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello, little guy. Oh. Hi. Oh. Hello.
Now, put a Francine,
Hi there.
who also volunteers at the shelter.
Oh, you're
with me.
cute.
She put
Yes,
something
you
on
are.
Nextdoor
Oh,
and on
look at those
Facebook
eyes.
that it was a found puppy.
Look. Oh,
She didn't put a picture
so cute.
because somebody sees the picture, says, "Oh, I like that dog." The vet through them,
Yeah.
have them all checked out.
Oh, good.
And all
I
that.
don't want them to nip him.
And
Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.
he hasn't even hiked his leg yet.
Look at his tail. Oh my God.
Come on, guys. What is that, guys?
What is that, guys?
Let's go see. What is that?
What is that up here?